Go to File first, then select Open. Select this image and click Open. Take the Quick Selection tool and choose the subject matter in this manner. Grab the lasso tool. Holding down the Alt key, deselect the additional selection in this way. Press Ctrl J now to copy the selected portion. Grab the rectangle tool. Enable the above mentioned shape option. Now select the subject matter in this manner. Right click on this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Again right click on this layer. This time choose Create Clipping Mask. Double click on this layer thumbnail. Now go to File and choose Place. Pick this texture image here and hit Place. Holding down the Alt button, enlarge the image in this manner. Press Enter. Close this window. Click S to save the modifications. Now select Linear Burn from the blending modes. Click Layer Styles, then select Blending options. Here change the settings in this manner. Click OK. Now is the time to see the final result.